Welcome back to the Banking Help SA YouTube channel. This is how to spend old mutual rewards. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. And if your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. So just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the Old Mutual app and log into your account. From the bottom of the home screen, select Rewards. If you're joining Old Mutual Rewards for the first time, press Next to the introduction screens and then select Let's Go. On the next screen, enter a referral number or promo code if you have one. Otherwise, leave those fields blank. Next, choose your communication preferences, enter your email address, then choose whether you'd like to receive promotions and deals, rewards information, or both. After that, tick the Terms and Conditions box, then select Submit. You'll now be successfully enrolled in Old Mutual Rewards. If you've already enrolled in Old Mutual Rewards before, simply select Rewards from the bottom of the home screen. You'll now be taken to the Old Mutual Rewards dashboard. Choose Spend. Now you will see different ways you can spend your points, including buying vouchers, prepaid airtime and data bundles, investing your points, or making a donation. It is very important to know that every 10 points is worth 1 rand. Select the option you want to spend your points on. Next, choose the item you want to redeem. A checkout screen will then appear showing your selected redemption. Review the details and then press Continue. Once the redemption has been processed successfully, your points will be redeemed. And that is it. That's how to spend Old Mutual Rewards. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Goodbye.